crafty friends. It's Courtney Brickner, the CV behind the Crafty Brick. It is day 10, 11, 12 of our Fine Art Advent Calendar series. I am so excited. We're halfway through. It's been a very, very fun few a week and a half that we've been doing this. We're unboxing all of these items in the Fine Art Advent Calendar. So this was the cover, just so you can see exactly what it is. It's from Arteza. They partnered with Tiffany Anna and put together this amazing art package because Tiffany Anna is an amazing artist. So we've been unboxing and doing these projects. Today, we are on box number 12. Uh-oh. Lost a box. Box number 12. We are finishing up our project. This is the third project of the set. When we're finished, we'll have 6 projects. This is the last thing that kind of goes with what we're doing. So I don't know what it's going to be. We've been doing, for this third project, a watercolor art. And I'm going to see what this last one is. So let's open it up. Box 12. All right, so these are all the pictures that I've made so far with the materials we've been supplied. And number 12 here. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we've got to complete our set. Let's see, can I feel it and see what it is before it comes out of the box? Maybe a pen? It is a pen. All right, it's a pen. Let's see if it's a special pen. I don't know. Let's see. It is a very metallic silver pen. So we can add some little silver to our picture. Let's see. Oh. See, I thought I had messed up this picture adding the black, but now that we've got the silver, we can make it a little better. Oh, I'm happy about that because I wasn't liking it black. So we'll just go and add our little final touches to our third project here and see what we end up with for all of them.
I like this silver edition because I think it makes just a nice little accent to what we already have. I really do think this brings together the whole project, adding the silver with it. And I just added some lines, added some circles, added some little stars, and I think it was the perfect end to our project.
All right, so here are all the final projects. I like how the silver adds a little something to it. I think each day it got a little bit better. And obviously they are not, masterpieces, but I think it's pretty cool. I like how each material that we got looked a little better. All right, so that wraps up day 12. I think it's good. I broke the crown on the first day. Didn't quite understand the paints on the second day. I thought it was going to be a little bit boring with just the pins on the third and fourth day, but I like the way they kind of made the picture pop a little more, and it was fun. I started doing it, and then I thought it was just going to be working on it for just a minute or two, and then I just kept going. So I like it. Like I said, I'm just trusting the process with this whole series and just stepping out of my box of what I typically do and trying some new things. So I think it's working. If you're enjoying this series, which I hope you are, don't forget to give it the thumbs up, like, subscribe, turn on the notifications so that you don't miss any of the future episodes, because I've been posting every single day and I've got 12 more days. So we are going to have 3 more projects that we're going to complete And we've got 3 down, and now we've got 3 left, and I'm excited to see what's in these next boxes. Now we are finished with the top layer. So there's another layer underneath. So we lift this one up, all those come out, and there's another layer of boxes underneath. So tomorrow for day 13, we will dive into that box and open it up and see what our next project is. So I'll be here. I hope you will too. Until then, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.